Alright, for today's lesson, we will continue from yesterday. Yesterday, if you still can remember, we have used the place value chart and using what to place the value. Alright, we have been using a red bin. So today we will carry on with this first. Alright, these are what we have covered yesterday. Alright, learning numbers to 100,000. Alright, this number we read this as 100,000. Alright, then if you have this 100,000, what is one number? What is the number before 100,000? 9, 10,000, the number, just one number before, which means 100,000 minus 1 will give me, Samuel, 99,000. Give it a try. 9. Alright, it's not. Okay, sorry. Alright, never mind, it's okay. So, alright, it's 999,999. So we have 5 9s there, 5 9s. Alright, what about one number after 100,000? What is the number? If you want to answer, please raise up your hand, Gavin. 100,001. Alright, very good. All of you know your maths well. This is 100,000. How do we show 10,000 in your place value chart? Alright, this is what we have done yesterday. So we can just keep this. Alright, still remember for this, we have 10. We have 10. If we have 10 red beans here, we have 10 tokens here. Alright, still remember, every column here we cannot have anything that is 10 or more. What do we do here? Regroup. Yes, very good. Regroup. This will regroup to one token here under the 10,000 column. Alright, if you still remember 10, once we have 10, we have to regroup into 1 and move it to the next. Alright. Let us read and show this number in a place value chart. What do we have here? 18,000. In numeral is 18. Remember 18. Leave a space before you write a 30 behind. Alright, make this a habit. When it's 1,000 value or more, you have 1, 10, 100. Leave a space before you write your 1,000 and your 10,000 value. Alright, this is how we'll write 18,000. What about this? Can anyone tell me or tell the class how do we read this value? Crystal, how do we read this value? I cannot hear you. Give me loud and clear voice. I cannot hear you, Crystal. Louder, please. Crystal, can you please stand and try to project your voice? 32,000. 32,469. Is that correct or wrong? Who says it's correct? Who says it's correct? No one. Who says it's wrong? Alright, 52,000. Sorry, what do you say? 32,000. 32,569. Alright, 32,569. This is what we have, 32,569. Alright, let us look at this number, 38,754. Alright, the digit 3 here is in the 10,000s place. So the digit 3 stands for 30,000s. You write this down as 30,000 in this way, or in numeric 30,000. Alright, the value of the 3 is 30,000. What about 8? What about 8? The digit 8 is in the tens, is in the thousands place. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Thank you. The digit 8 is in a thousand place, and the 8 stands for 8,000 or 8,000 in numeric writing. What about the 7 here? Now I have the name of the class list. Now I will know 英文. What about the 7? 7 is in what place? Hundreds. Yes. 7 is in a hundreds place. Stand for 700s. How about 5? 5 can I have 一横? 5 一横. Can you tell me what place value is 5 in? Tens place, and the value of 5 is 50. Not 5, is 50. 4 is in the ones. Alright. This is one useful thing that we can do. Alright, what we have here, can someone tell me how do we read this? Let me have Nicole Lim. How do we read this? 24,951. Very good. 24,951. If we break this down, it will be 20,000 plus 4,000 plus 900 plus 50 plus 1. Alright? This is one idiot proof method if you can't really see the thing. If you can't really see the number well. Alright, in this way we'll break this number down. We first break off in a 10,000 place first. We have 20,000, followed by thousands place, 4,000, hundreds, we have 90. Alright, sorry, it's a bit tight. And tens place, followed by the ones. Alright, in this way, we break it down. It will be easier for you to read and write out the word statement. To write. As in my projection is to write. Oh, I'm sorry. I'll try to work something out with the lights outside. Alright. Alright, okay. I'll take note of that. I'll try to do something about the sunlight. Yes. Make curtains. Thanks, Max. Max suggested to make curtains. Alright. So we have. Let me see which group is ready. So we have 24951, 24,951 here. Alright, sometimes if the number is too big, you can't really figure out what value are they. Please try to break them out in this way. Alright, when you break them out in this way, it's much easier for us to see. Alright, let's give it a try. In 20,491, the digit what is in the thousands place? Jiaxuan. Digit 0 is in the thousand place. In 91,967, the digit 6 is in the Fengyue. 6 is in the, what do you say? Tens. In 54,038, the value of digit 5 is Natalia. 50,000. Are you sure? 50,000. Jeffy. The value is asking about the value, so it's 50,000. Nathaniel was correct. Alright, I'm just testing him. Alright, it's asking you about the value. The value, how much does it represent a value, not in a place. Alright, remember, it's asking about values. Next, in 78,250, the digit what stands for 200s? The digit is very obvious here. Can I have T in, right? TE. 2. In 66,134, the digit 4 stands for, can I have Josiah? Alright, 4 or 4 ones. Well done. Next. 3,081. If we break this up, what do we have here? What do we have here if we break this up? Max. 3,000 plus 8 tens plus 1 ones. Alright, we'll use this way. 3,000s, 8 tens, and 1 ones. Next. It's okay. Alright, next. Can I have next time I can use the number draw, it's easier for me. Choosing. $10,000, $2,400 plus 10, 5. Well done, good job. The digit 8 in the following number stands for, digit 8 in this following number stands for, first one, can I have the girl beside Marcus? I can't remember your name. Kara. 8 stands for hundreds. 800s or 800s. Alright. Next one. Yunwen. Say again. 80,000 or 10,000s. Alright, 80,000 also okay. Next, the last one should be very, very easy. Here I have Celeste. I can't hear you, louder please. 8 ones or 8. Okay. Alright, comparing number, we will not do it today. Just give me a minute, let me discard, exit this. Alright, we are going to now carry on with your workbook assignment. Okay, please take out your workbook. Practice 1.